Okay, now for the first method, go to your keyboard and type Windows plus R. After that, type in app data, select OK. Go to local, type in any folder you want and then select R in your keyboard. Search for Roblox, right click and then hit delete. After that, select the up arrow button. Go to local row. You'll find here the RBX settings. So make sure to delete this file, which is Roblox settings. So once you did that, you can go ahead to your browser and select download Roblox. Select the first link and you can easily install Roblox again. So if it didn't work, for the method number 2, go to your browser and type Evo uninstaller. Select the first link, go to downloads, after that select free download. It will start downloading, wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, just make sure to set up the application correctly. After that, go ahead to the Windows search bar, type Revo. You will find it here, Revo installer. Just open it, click yes on the alert. Now all you have to do, just search for the Roblox application. Go ahead and type it in the search bar. After that, make sure to select it, double click and select continue. Once you did that, go ahead and re-download Roblox again from the browser. If you find it helpful, make sure to subscribe.